Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to switch your Apple ID passwords or your Apple ID account on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you know, when you buy a new iPhone, then it asks for your Apple ID account, and if you have an Apple ID account already, then you need to log into it, and there will come an option of don't know your iPad passcode if you don't know the passcode. So that's how you change the passcode. But if you have already logged into an account in your iPhone but you want to switch the accounts to some already previously made accounts or your family members accounts, then there is an easy way to do so. So first thing you want to do is go to your settings application. Then you need to click on the Apple ID. Then there comes an option of sign out. So you sign out from your Apple ID password. Then where your Apple ID first was, there comes a sign in option. So you need to click on your sign in option and again enter your following credentials, your Gmail and your passwords in order to change your Apple ID. So this is a quick and easy way to do so. I hope this video was helpful. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave it on the drop box below. It's me, Elise, signing out.